What's good, y'all? It's your boy Black Beethoven out here in Pattaya, Thailand, 2023. Rolling loud. It is day one and we about to go crazy, man. I got a lot of good content for y'all coming up, so make sure y'all stay tuned. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you tune in because yeah, it's about to be a blast. We about to have a good old time out here and we about to turn up. So hey, man, I hope y'all are ready. Let's get into it.
Tell me, my nigga, you ready to ride? Good, cause I'm going outside.
All right, man, so we outside the gate right here, rolling loud, Legend Siam. Y'all see the vibes, man. It's different out here. Built for it tough, you know, even though we ain't in America, though. But it's made in America, though. Nah, let me stop. But this the entrance, man. We about to turn up. We got the guys out here, you know what I'm saying? Tommy in the house, you know what I'm saying? Armani in the house, Brownie in the house. We about to go crazy. Rolling Loud 2023, man. You see the vibes. Oh, and the guys just walked up too. Yeah.
What's up?
Yeah. It's a whole situation out here. What's good with you, baby?
What's up? How you feeling, my brother?
Hey, man, you already know what time it is.
I saw you on the
What
bike.
up, Mount? How you living?
Good,
Shit,
man.
we out here, man.
Yes, sir.
Hey, 2023 Rolling Loud. Pattaya. It's about to be a movie. It's about to be a movie.
I can only talk about the game if it's coming from my side. Perspective. Gotta be careful when making your moves. You see how the ops slide. Real cautious. Rolling on wrist while I'm boarding the plane. You see how the time fly. First class. Try as you might, but you cannot see between the.
All right, so y'all see what's going on. We outside the entrance. And as y'all can see, people starting to file in slowly. It's about to be a good day out here. It's still early. It's only about 2:40 right now. Bless you. It's only about 2:40 right now, so you know we still got plenty of time before things really kick off. We about to go get up in here, get this thing popping off. Hey, Pattaya, Thailand, Rolling Loud, first ever in Asia. It's about to get crazy, man.
To the block where my bro, and a few hope, counting my money and rolling up dope. We get a high, but we stay on the low. Don't ask me questions, you already know. I am so nice when it comes to the pen. I get them dollars, but I never spend. Just hit your bitch, I'ma do it again.
That's how that shit be. Last time we done roll out, that nigga Lil Nas X kid wanna stay about to do Old Town Road. That shit first came out, bro. Look, this stadium sound running.
Yeah. Hey, man, they excited out here, as they should be. Y'all see what the fuck going on, man? Yeah. Hey, when y'all come to Thailand, make sure y'all slide over here to Brooklyn Quick Bites, man. He been serving it up out here for the people. My man's from out here in New York, my man Sheen.
What up, baby?
On the Brooklyn Quick Bites. We ought to get this Brooklyn Quick Bites burger, aka the Luther. If y'all ever seen the Boondocks, y'all know what's going on, man. Y'all gotta tap in. This thing about to be decadent. I'm gonna show y'all when it's done, but yeah, we about to get up in that thing. The Brooklyn Quick Bites burger, aka the Luther. Y'all see it, it's looking decadent. I'm about to dive up in this thing, man. I can't wait. Gotta get right. Yes, sir.
Watching life through a milk glass. What you see? Cloudy vision in the beginning. I'm so grateful for the vitamins the milk has. Sleep for a while, cause my dreams feel a little too real. And I've been fighting demons in the darkness, and I've been on the winning street. Lord, please protect me in my
Alright guys, we back at the crib. It's been a long day, man. I'm sweating, I'm hot. Get them off me. Yeah, but it's been a good day, man. We had some great performances tonight. Tore it up. Ray Shrimp tore it up on the stage. Yeah, Shrimp Life 4, Shrimp for life. Hey, yeah, them young boys went crazy. But hey, man, yeah, I'm about to hop in the shower real quick, get fresh, and then we headed over to Golden Tiger Bar. Yeah, it's ladies' night, so we about to get it in.
Wednesday night, that mean it's lady night, yeah. About to turn it into make a baby night. Hearing that, you must think I'm crazy, right? Nah, not really, I'm just doing what the lady like. Never been the beta type, alpha and omega type. Got my cards and played them right, now she about to stay tonight. Take her to my palace, then I lay the pipe. Call me Kid Cudi, cause I hump it through the day and night. I be in her head like Cantu. The way she drippin', you would think it was a dance move. The way she drippin', you would think it was a candle. Hot girl shit, but ain't too hot for me to handle. Put in work, she like to grip up on my mantle. She throw it back and bust it open like it's canned food. Cast a spell on her, wash away the hands move.
Alright, y'all. Man, it's been a long day. I just got back to the crib from Golden Tiger. Changed my clothes real quick, and now I'm on my way to Flex Club. Go MC over there and turn up with Flex. It's about to be crazy, man. Hope y'all ready. The night ain't over with yet.
All or nothing, I want everything. Married to the game, I need a win. I done turned a life skill into a lifestyle. All my melodies are smoother than a nightgown. I'm floating through the city looking iced out. Ask me when I wanna hit, I told her right now. I feel like I'm on top of my game. I got some clout on my name, but I got so much to gain, yeah. Them niggas tried to laugh at my pain. I ain't got time for the hate. I wanna go every day. Give me all or nothing, I want everything. Married to the game, I need a wedding ring. Gold in my mind and gold in my heart. Gotta go play the rollie, so I look the part. Tell them give me all or nothing, I want everything.
What's good, y'all? Man, it has been a wild 24 hours. It's 6 a.m. I ain't been asleep. Don't plan on sleeping anytime soon. I got things to do. But yeah, Flex Club turned up, man, to the maximum. Like, going stupid. We went crazy in there. Yeah. It's a whole lot of more good things going on these next couple of days. I just can't wait to share with y'all, man. I want y'all to be a part of this because it's magic happening out here. Like, y'all really got to see it. It's really magic. So we're going to keep bringing you the magic, and we're going to make it happen.
Me and my niggas, you know we gon' slide. Can't tell me nothing, I'm going outside. I'm on a parasol, ready to glide. Chasing the check and I'm making a vibe. Nothing to something, I'm changing the tide. Know that you feeling this.